Why GEARit 1/0 gauge OFC wire is the game changer for car audio and power. Have you ever wrestled with cables that just don't deliver? That moment when your amp feels starved, your RV setup flickers, or your tools drain faster than they should. It's frustrating, right? Cables shouldn't hold you back. They should unleash performance. Drop a comment if your setup has let you down before, because this next upgrade might be your turning point. When projects stall because of weak wiring, the stress builds quickly. Missed installs, stressed deadlines, burnout gear. The wrong cable silently robs performance, leaving you chasing problems that shouldn't exist. Imagine flipping that script: stable power delivery, effortless installs, and fewer worries. That's not hype. It's what happens when you use a conductor designed for high current demand without compromise. The GEARit 1/0 gauge oxygen-free copper (OFC) wire isn't just another power cable. It's a breakthrough for serious car audio, RV, marine, and high-current installs. Built from pure OFC, it delivers superior conductivity and minimal voltage drop compared to copper-clad aluminum. Each 25-foot roll, one in bold red, one in jet black, gives you the perfect balance of polarity clarity and installation flexibility. The ultra-high strand count makes it bend smoothly through tight spaces, while the translucent PVC jacket not only protects, but lets you see the copper quality inside. Picture this. A pro installer ran it through a crowded engine bay for a 2,000-watt amp, and it slid into place without a kink. No overheating, no resistance spikes, just clean, stable current. Even DIY users rave about how easy it is to strip, crimp, and connect with standard lugs. Whether powering amplifiers, upgrading battery leads, or building solar and inverter systems, this cable is engineered to keep performance steady. Keep reading. There's a bonus installation tip waiting just ahead. Here's where the real magic happens. Benefits that translate directly into performance you can hear, feel, and trust. Imagine tighter bass from your subs because the amp finally gets full current, or an RV battery bank running smoother on solar because the cable resists voltage drop even on long runs. One installer said, "The flexibility of this zero gauge is insane. It snakes through spaces other cables can't." A car audio enthusiast shared, "The audible difference was real: cleaner highs, deeper lows, and no voltage sag under load." Experts back it up too. Industry analysts note that OFC construction ensures lower resistance and less heat, giving your system the efficiency edge over cheaper CCA wires. Influencers praise the translucent jacket for quick polarity checks and the durability of the soft-touch PVC that shrugs off oil, heat, and abrasion. Even customers who used leftover wire to make jumper cables couldn't stop raving. Stronger and more reliable than store-bought. See why thousands keep talking about this. It's not just wire. It's confidence in every connection. Which feature would save your day? Flexibility, durability, or pure power delivery? Comment below and let's compare stories. Don't let power loss keep sabotaging your builds. This GEARit 1/0 gauge OFC set is moving fast because installers, audiophiles, and RV owners know quality when they see it. Thousands have already leveled up with this upgrade. Don't be the one left behind. Grab your kit today, secure your next project's success, and unlock reliable performance. Click now to uncover the bonus tip on installation that makes your setup even smoother. Why wait when power this clean is within reach?